Hello viewers, I am Thamizharasu, your business coach. Here to guide you through the maze of business strategies and solutions. Today I will unravel the concept of production efficiency and its crucial role in the growth and profitability of your business. We will delve into the world of manufacturing, technology, and employee roles, and even hear about some real life success stories. So sit back, get comfortable, and let's start this enlightening journey.
1. Understanding the concept of production efficiency. Production efficiency is all about making the most out of what you have. It's about minimizing waste and maximizing output. A good analogy is a well-oiled machine, where every part plays its role perfectly, contributing to a smooth and high-quality output. That's what we aim to achieve in our businesses. 2. The role of production efficiency in business growth. It's quite simple. Better efficiency translates to more production at a lower cost. When you attain efficiency, you are able to produce more goods with the same resources. This means more revenue, more growth, and ultimately, more profit. It's a vital gear in the engine of your business growth. 3. Key principles guiding production efficiency. The principles guiding production efficiency include process optimization, employee productivity, technology utilization, and continuous improvement. By adhering to these principles, you ensure that your business operations are streamlined, efficient, and productive. 4. The importance of production efficiency in manufacturing industries. The manufacturing sector thrives on efficiency. Every minute saved, and every resource optimized counts. Efficient production reduces operational costs, increases output, and ultimately, augments profitability. 5. Assessing production efficiency. Key metrics to consider. To manage, you must measure. Key metrics to consider include output per labor hour, machine efficiency, waste levels, and process downtime. These indicators will provide valuable insights into your operations and help guide your improvement strategies. 6. Strategies to improve production efficiency in business operations. Improvement strategies may involve process re-engineering, technology upgrades, employee training and motivation, and quality control enhancements. Remember, efficiency is about doing more with less and doing it better. 7. The impact of technology on production efficiency. In this digital age, technology has become a game changer. It has automated manual processes, reduced human error, and greatly improved efficiency levels. It's not about replacing humans, but about augmenting their efforts and capabilities. 8. The role of employee training in enhancing production efficiency. Behind every machine, there's a human. That's why training employees to understand, adopt, and efficiently use technologies and processes is key. Trained employees are more productive and motivated and contribute to overall efficiency. 9. Case study. Successful application of production efficiency in top companies. Companies like Toyota and Amazon owe their success to efficient production systems. Through lean manufacturing and cutting-edge technology, they have managed to create world-leading models of efficiency. 10. Exploring the challenges and solutions in achieving production efficiency. Striving for production efficiency is a common goal for businesses, but achieving it is sometimes easier said than done. It comes with its share of challenges, but thankfully, there are also solutions. Indeed, achieving production efficiency can be a challenging process, but with the right strategies, it's certainly attainable. After all, it's a journey worth embarking on, as the benefits of increased efficiency can be significant and far-reaching. Production efficiency is not just a concept, it's a practice that can drive your business to new heights. It's about time we put this practice into action. Before you go, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful business videos.